Huh? I set your water up like a hamster. You want some water? Are you thirsty or not, bro?
No, you thirsty.
Tasha, calm your ass down. Come here, being a little low, I can't see you. Okay? Hey. What's up, gang? What's up, gang? It's your boy Brock back with another bang. I ain't playing no games, bro. It's hot as hell today. It is hot as hell, but it is what it is. I'm finna be getting Tasha with the locking my girlfriend out in 100-degree weather.
Oh!
I'm finna be locking that ass out in 100-degree weather. She wanna lock me out in the goddamn hurricane? Huh? I'm finna get that ass back, payback. Team Brock set up. It is what it is. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Smash that notification bell if you haven't already. Smash that notification bell. Make it go ring, ding, dong. Hey, ring a ding, 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 dong. Smash that notification bell, player, so you get the notifications whenever we drop new videos, gang. Post notification, gang. Post notification. Shout outs go to Aura O'Neal, Tiny Big Games, Jewel Bowman, Kate, and Life with LaCavier. Hey, thank y'all so much for turning up in the comments. We love you guys so much. And if anybody wants to shout out, make sure you hashtag post notification gang down in the comments. Say, hey, your post notification bell turned on, gang. Soon as a little while to get out here, we're getting straight into it. Let's do this thing.
Eventually.
Oh, wait.
Oh, and let
Oh, my God.
It is hot as hell. Got your boy out here sweaty.
Yes. Hurry up and get the car from the
Are
ocean.
you ready to go?
Ready.
Water. Oh, thank you.
Ice cold.
Ice little cold on nigga. Lick on it.
You're so stupid. Why are you so stupid? Let me hit it. Let me hit it too.
Ooh.
Pinky up.
Pinky up. It's crazy. We done had all type of. Hey, it's cold as hell.
It feel good.
Scared the hell out of me.
Trying to post this video. What you was gonna say?
We done had all type of weather this summer.
I
We had a
know.
hurricane. Now it's like what 102.
It don't make no sense.
102.
I just don't want no more earthquakes.
Go from hurricane to 100-degree weather.
It seems like it's gonna be some
Same
earthquake,
month.
huh?
Exactly. That shit it was that day.
No, for real, that's what I'm saying. I don't want no more.
It was a bad. Oh, who's this thug looking dude right here?
You stupid. He look like a thug because he got on the
Like a thug,
sunglasses.
like a
Oh
thug.
my God.
Oh my God, huh?
Oh my God.
Can't see shit.
That sun ain't no joke.
That daggone, we lucky we got all these trees over here. We get away from these trees. Oh my God.
Oh!
I can't even see the turn which color.
Yeah, that sun is beaming. Jesus.
They playing basketball with no court. With no hoop.
They the hoop. We like.
Bruh.
That's how you used to play when you was little.
Little, but they about 17. That's the difference.
They was like 14.
I used to play that when I was about 4, 5. When I turned 7, I was already dunking.
Skill.
When I turned 7, I was already dunking.
In a 2-foot court.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Can I get a little air or something? God, you trying to suffocate a bit. Oh. Oh my God, I might need a Slurpee on the way back.
A little Slurpee.
Pina colada.
Stop by here and get a little snizzle, snaggity, waggity, wah.
You gotta get gas?
Huh?
You gotta get gas.
Yes. I just want to say what up to my boy. That's my boy. A little shortcut, you know what I'm
You
saying?
always think you know somebody, bro.
Avoiding the lights.
Do not know you.
Tasha, everybody out here know me. They knew me in the first 2 months.
Yeah, that's because you talk to everybody.
I'm like, what up? Ooh, it's hot as hell.
It's hot.
You hot?
I am. I can't even get this. My phone is tripping. It will not let me post. This video.
Oh, damn.
Post it later. What?
I need my little tank top, bro. This hot as hell. I need to take this off. Can you grab my little tank top out the trunk for me? I'm gonna pull up.
Out the trunk?
Yeah, grab my little tank top. It's hot as hell. You gonna let me burn up? It's hot as hell.
Oh my God.
Like, what kind of dude is you?
I'm not a dude at all. I'm a whole woman.
I understand
The
that.
hell?
I'm just saying. I mean, look out for your boy.
What? Up the trunk. Cuz.
Pop the trunk.
Trunk, bro.
Oh, my bad. I forgot I left it at the house. Yeah, I left it at the house. Huh? My bad.
Okay.
What?
It's too fucking hot. Stop playing.
Oh, my bad. What happened?
Open the door.
Come on, why you playing around? In the car. Shit.
You gonna say why am I playing around?
Yeah.
Open the
Oh, it's locked?
Yes, it's
Oh, why you didn't tell me that? You said, why you just sit there looking funny? You didn't say nothing.
Locked.
You should have said, why you didn't say that though?
I did say that.
What'd
I
you
said
say?
that to begin with.
What'd you say? It's hot as hell out there. What'd you say? What'd you say?
Open the motherfucking door. Stop playing, Brock. Stop playing. Open. Why are you?
No,
playing?
I didn't hear you. Okay, on my pad.
All on my arm. Come on. God damn. Open the door.
Your hand must be slippery. I just unlocked it.
Brock.
Hold up. What the hell wrong with you?
Open.
Why are you trying to break in my goddamn vehicle? I will call the police on your ass.
I'm gonna call the police on you.
Oh, who on for what?
Open the door.
It's hot. Stop playing around. Here, look.
Open the door.
What did I do?
Stop.
Huh?
Open the.
Come here. Tasha, are you gonna get in the car? Stop playing around. It's hot as hell. Tasha, 100 degrees outside. Your ass playing around. It's 100 degrees. Okay, look, don't be too loud. Neighbors might call the police. That's what I'm saying. They gonna call the police.
Open the door.
What? I couldn't hear y'all talking. My bad. Say it again. No, say it again when I ain't talking. Ready, set, break.
Oh! Open the door, Brock. Open the door.
Can you stop beating on my damn window like you crazy? Here, let. Okay. I'll be back. I'll be back.
It's not funny.
No, I'm gonna be back. You thirsty?
Open the door.
Tasha, come here. Look, put your tongue here. If you're thirsty, look, I get your ice cold water. Your ice cold water. Put your tongue in there. Here, I'm trying to hydrate you. Here, your ice cold water. Tasha, here, put your tongue right there. Put your tongue right there. Lick that. Lick it like I did it. Like I did when I opened.
Open the door.
Okay, look. It's getting a little hot in here. Let me roll out the window, bro. It's hot as hell in here. Woo! Let me roll out the window, son. Huh? I'll be back.
If you, I swear to God.
KK! Oh my gosh! Babe, my bad. I was just playing, girl. Come on, get in the car. Stop playing around.
She'll be what it wants to. She mad as hell, y'all. She mad as hell. Make sure the door locked.
Stop playing.
I unlocked
You
it.
get me in the car just to do this stupid ass shit. Let me in the car.
Why would I do that just to do that?
Because you're retarded. That's why.
Ooh. Why is you mad at me though? Tasha, why? Tasha, why you mad at me? Tasha, what I do? Tasha. Tasha, what I do? T-baby. 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 Baby T. Baby T.
Open the door before I act ignorant on these people's street and they come take us both to jail. I'm not playing. Open the door. Oh! Why? So you can...
Go ahead, I want to see if I can take your finger off with one chop. Huh? Come on. Come on, you gotta pass the test. Squid Games. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Roll the window. Oh, shit, the window down over here. Okay. What happened? Baby T. T, baby. T, baby. What I do? What I do? Tasha. Look, come here. Let me talk to you. You want some more water?
When you open the door, I am going to whoop your ass. That's why you got a big booger on your eye, you nasty ass.
I got an eye booger? That ain't eye booger, that's sweat. It's hot as hell. I don't know how you out there taking it.
Bruh.
All right, I'll be back, babe. You want me to call you Uber? Tasha, do you want me to call you Uber?
Why are you playing?
Do you want me to call you Uber?
Why are you playing and it's...
You want me to call you Uber? You want me to call you Uber or don't call you till November? Huh?
You want me to call the morgue?
Call the who?
Damn! The morgue?
Why would you do that?
Huh?
Why would you
Come
do
pick
that?
up your body?
Why are you so violent? Oh shit! Okay, stop playing. Stop playing. Ooh, almost got caught slipping. Come on, reach your hand in there. Reach your hand in there, huh? Watch this. Look, I'm faster. They say the hand. They say the eyes is faster than the hand. I mean, the hand faster than the eyes. I got it wrong. The hand faster than the eyes.
You don't know shit.
Put your hand in there, see it, see. Come on, put your hand in there, see. Let's test it out. Let's test my method. That's my scientific hypothesis.
Oh! Dinner tonight. I hope you got some recipes.
I know how to cook.
Okay.
I can't cook as good as you, but I can cook.
Good for you.
Okay, well look. You gonna give me some if I let you
You
in?
don't get none of nothing I'm cooking.
You gonna give me some if I let you in? Look, you okay? Why you sweating so much, bruh? Huh? Why is you sweating so much? What? The people probably gonna call the po-po on your crazy ass. You just walking around the neighborhood looking suspicious as hell. Come here. Here. Here.
I'm looking suspicious.
Yeah, here. Want some water? Look. I'm gonna leave it hanging there for you. Look. Tasha, like a hamster. Look, I set it up like a hamster. Tasha, I set your water up like a hamster. Huh?
You're dumb.
Huh? I set your water up like a hamster. You want some water? Are you thirsty or not, bro?
No, you thirsty.
Tasha, calm your ass down. Come here, being a little low, I can't see you. Okay? Hey, let's play my hey, stop playing my goddamn water. Shit, it's hot as hell. You wanna play with my water? You said you got it for me. Okay, look, baby. Okay, I'll just, Tasha. Here, open the door. Tasha, open the door. Tasha, open the door. Tasha, you gonna have me crash trying to back up and shit. Oh! Tasha, here, open the door. It's a prank. Tasha's a prank. Tasha's a prank. I almost crashed. Tasha's a prank. T-Baby's a prank. Tasha. Tasha, get your silly ass in the goddamn car. Stop playing around. God damn.
What's your fucking nerve?
Come on, man.
How you telling somebody to get their silly ass in the motherfucking car and you playing games?
Open the door.
Bye-bye. Tata. Goodbye.
Oh! Tasha, it's just a prank. Tasha, prank.
All right, gang. I'm about to have to go get it back. This your boy Brock. I went a little too far, but I did it for the gang, all right?
Young boy about to get his booty wood. I shouldn't have done this one, but I did it for the squad. Tasha over there sitting on the curb like she waiting for the goddamn. Look at this motherfucker, yo. Look at this nigga. Look at this nigga. What? Why are you hitchhiking? Just come sit your silly. Why are you hitchhiking? Tasha, look, this nigga pulled over for your ass. Oh, hell no. Nah. Tasha, come sit your ass down. Why is you? So you out here hitchhiking?
What?
You out here hitchhiking?
Huh?
You out here hitchhiking?
Yeah.
What are you talking about? Only 2 seats. Tasha, come on. I just playing.
Best friend, you're my best friend. I'ma spend it on her 'cause she all